Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video we are going to try a simple text effect. So for that we have to create a text brush. So I have already created a new document. Just select your type tool and type anything that you want. I am typing Amelia. I will change the text color first. Remember, whenever you create a brush, text brush, while creating the text brush, when you create a new document, the background of the new document has to be white and the color of the text has to be black if you want the best result. So, and whatever font you like, you can choose. So this is, I hope the spelling is right. I think it is. So I want to create a text brush. So I have typed this thing, and now just simply go to edit and create a brush by using this define brush preset. You can name whatever you want. I will name the same thing as the text. You can create as many brush tools as you want. Text brush tool, simply you can change. Then you have to select the move tool and again go to edit menu, define brush preset. So your brush will be created and you can simply draw it anywhere you want. But for now that's it for this thing. Means we have created the brush, so there is no need of this new document, so I'm closing it. Now I want to create a text effect on this particular image, so I'm going to select this image first. You can choose whatever selection tool you prefer. I am using the quick selection tool, but that doesn't really matter. The selection is important, the tool isn't that much important. Now I selected this. After selecting, I will apply the finishing touches by going in select and mask option. I will simply click on this refine edge brush and the accuracy doesn't really matter in this particular example. You will see it, but still I am trying. Now I am simply going to copy this by pressing Ctrl C. So Ctrl C is copy, or Command C if you are using Mac, and Ctrl V is paste, or Command V if you are using Mac. Then I am going to delete the background layer. So we only have one layer which only consists of the face now, and I'm again going to create another layer by pressing Ctrl J or Command J. So we have two, sorry, we don't have to create for this one. I have just kept a one layer of the face. Now we have to create a new layer from the layer panel. This is one layer, and put it below our present layer and fill it with any color. So I'm filling it with the white color. You can choose any color you want, and we can change the color later on, so that this doesn't really matter. And I will create another layer. Now remember, when you choose or create any brush, so I have created this brush. Just remember to go to the brush settings. You can go to the brush setting from here as well, brush setting, and change the option of the brush like this. You want a scattered brush, you don't want a regular brush, so I'm changing, as you can see, a preview here. If you want spacing, you can change it from here. So I'm keeping it like this, you can see. Now what I want to do is, I want a selection around this face, in short the layer. So I'm going to simply click press and hold control key or command key and click on the thumbnail, not on the name of the layer, on the thumbnail, so that it will select whatever the layer area is, it will select it. Then again I'm going to right click, or I'm going to clip this layer to the layer below that. I can simply press and hold Alt key or Option key if you are using Mac and click, or you can do it by right clicking on it. So I have selected this area of the layer. Now go to the middle layer. This is very important. Make sure that you are on the middle layer and you have already selected the brush tool. Now simply draw it, but change the brush size, don't keep it same size. Change the brush size and simply draw it. And now you remember why we have selected this area, so that it doesn't go outside the area. That's why we have selected or made selection. Make sure you don't draw this brush too much, because we have to be this spaces, they have to be there, otherwise the effect won't look that good. So keep some spaces, but draw more as compared with the outer area, so that the person you are drawing, people will be able to recognize the face. So draw it here more and draw less outside the facial area. So this looks good, I think. Control D or Command D to deselect. So this is what we have created by using a simple brush tool and some clipping mask options. So this is called as the text effect using the brush tool. So please try it out. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.